Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm in Montevideo, Uruguay. And I'm just going to walk down this walking street down here, and I'm headed towards the main cathedral. But I just thought I'd film one of the city streets. They're actually really amazing. They're really pretty clean and taken care of, and it's really peaceful. It's like 8:20 in the morning, but let's go do it. Here we go. And so I just took a picture with the policeman, and that was kind of interesting. You know, policemen usually never let you take pictures of them, but this is what the city streets look like. I mean, no trash. I mean, there is graffiti, but there's no trash on the ground, no beer bottles, no anything else or crazy stuff. And here's the main street that I'm going to walk down, and it's amazing and clean. And then here's another street, and it too is clean and nice, and it's really cool. And the buildings are all, I don't know, you know, the paintings on the wall are pretty neat. I don't know, so let's just go walk. And it's pretty early still, so it's only 8:22, so you know, so not a lot is open. I was thinking the church would be open, but and they got nice little walkways and nice little benches and all sorts of things. And the buildings are cool. Huh. And dates are growing on the trees. Huh. Cafe Pro, okay. Cafe Americano, $1 or 170 pesos. So 160, so $4 for a cappuccino. Interesting art on the walls. Mazara. Mazara. And you can see this street, they got trash set up, but and actually you can see the cruise ship right through there at the very end. But again, all the streets are really, really clean and well taken care of, and, you know, pretty amazing. And I think I can see the tip of the church up there, so that tells me I'm getting somewhere. I think most of the people walking the streets are either people going to work or people off the cruise ship. You know, they just let 4,000 people off the boat, and everybody's running around seeing stuff. And I looked up the top 10 things, and I think I can hit some of them. I don't know how many are. I mean, some of them are really close. Like there's an arch at the beginning of the Independence Square, but then there's the Independence Square, and inside the Independence Square is a palace, and then inside of next to the palace is a theater. So it's 4 things in one. So I don't know if it'll get 4 videos or 1 video each, or anyway, we'll just see what we get. Neat buildings. And again, there is not a lot of trash on any of these streets. Actually, let's go this way. Look at this little square over here. This is not Independence Square. This is a little park of some kind. Huh. Cute. And the park's pretty well taken care of too. all these people taking pictures. they're all off the cruise ship. They all look really familiar. So huh. It's a cute little square, cute little park. Amazing. Huh. Oh, and I like the apartments up there with the wraparound balcony and stuff too. That's pretty amazing. Huh. And then what's over in this corner? That looks pretty neat too. What is that? Wow, now that's a neat house or a neat palace or a neat something or other. Wow. All right. Well, I just wanted to take a second and show you some of the city streets and what's around here and what the town looks like and all of that. Very cool. Huh. All right, everybody. Well, that's it. I'm going to keep working my way through the city. Bye-bye.